Okay, so I know that Union Bank has been on the bad receiving end of reputation when it comes to customer service nowadays. But in this video, I will talk as to why I like the Union Bank U Visa Platinum. And this is based on my personal experience of my usage of the card. So I would not be able to speak as to how your feedback would be. This is just from my point of view. Okay, so this is my Union Bank U Visa Platinum. At first glance, you'd see that it's unique because pa-vertical yung style ng card, right? I've already made a video about this, so if you have not watched that, you could just scroll through my video list and you could see that. And then it is Visa kasi meron tong dalawa, meron siyang MasterCard and merong Visa. When I applied, I specifically chose Visa, I think, if I remember correctly, but you have the option to choose the MasterCard. Now, remember that credit card is a financial tool. I see it as a tool to manage my cash flow and my financial management. Why am I able to say that? It's because there are times na meron ka na kailangang bilhin but you don't have the money for it yet, and the money that you would use in paying for that is parating pa lang. So I'll make a very simple example. So I have 3 cats. Now let's say, for example, that I get paid every 15th and 30th of the month, but my cats are out of their supplies for the month, like their food, their litter, their vitamins, and their treats. So by the 5th or 6th of the month, what if ubos na? Maghihintay pa ba ako ng 15th bago ko mapakain ng mga pusa ko? So I could just use my credit card to buy the necessities of my cats, and come the 15th, I would deduct the amount that I have spent using my credit card and pay my credit card sa charges na na-incur ko when I bought the supplies that my cats needed. So it is a staple, it is a recurring expense na hindi naman talaga nagpo-fall every 15th or the 30th. So merong times of the month na you don't buy things every quincena, diba? So it is a financial tool. You could spend before you have even received the money, but make sure that when you have received the money, babayaran mo na agad yung charges incurred for the spending that you did before the 15th and 30th. So that's why I said it's a financial management tool. For me, I consider it as a tool to make my life easier, to make my life more convenient. Ganon ang tingin ko sa credit card ko. Now, Union Bank Visa Platinum, why do I like it? Number 1, it has no annual fee for life. And wala siyang spending requirement. Unlike sa ibang credit cards na kailangan mo mag-spend na minimum of 20,000 or 30,000, 40,000, whatever, bago ka matag as no annual fee for life or mag-qualify yung card mo for no annual fee for life. With this card, hindi mo na kailangan mag-spend. It is a basic card at that. Ganun talaga yung feature niya. It's one of its selling points. When you are approved of the card, automatic siya na no annual fee for life. Meaning to say, pwede mong magamit ang credit card as a financial tool na wala kang annual or yearly fees for that. Kasi merong mga cards na may yearly fees, like for my BPI Gold, 2,250 yung annual fee niya, but I have managed to have it waived every year because of the minimum amount spend that I make every year. But with this card, you don't have to spend anything. It has no annual fee for life. Automatic siya. Next, it is beginner friendly. Kasi kapag bago ka pa lang sa credit card use, hindi ka pa masyadong familiar kung paano mo ba gamitin ang credit card to your favor, as much as possible, you would want a card that is easy, simple, and no frills. Automatic lang na mag-swipe ka and then come the due date, meron naman yun dun sa paper na ibibigay sa'yo during the delivery of your card. Nakalagay naman dun yung statement due and due date mo. So, before your due date, bayaran mo lang siya. Yun. Tapos na. You don't incur any charges. So, it is beginner friendly. And next, wala siyang late payment fee. So for example, an unfortunate circumstance has occurred and you cannot pay your outstanding balance on time. So let's say yung due date mo is every 27th of the month. Supposedly on the 27th magbabayad ka na, but then wala ka pang pera. Kahit pa sa 30th mo siya mabayaran, wala kang late payment fee. The standard late payment fee is waived. So, it is unlike other banks na kung hindi ka makapagbayad sa due date, meron kang late payment fee, meron kang interest charge, and meron ka pang other finance charges. With this one, yung late payment fee is waived. But yung other charges like finance charges and other fees, mag-a-apply yun. It's just the late payment fee that is waived. So at least that's a certain percentage of your outstanding balance na hindi mo na kailangang i-worry na would add to your outstanding balance, right? So, maano kasi yun magaan na siya sa sitwasyon mo, hindi ka na nga nakabayad on time, tapos marami ka pang interest na kailangang bayaran kasi hindi ka nakabayad on time. At least the late payment fee is waived. Yun. So, it is a beginner card, but it already gives you that feature, that perk, na wala siyang late payment fee. And then the second one is that, and the other, not the second one, the other feature, and perhaps this is the feature that I really like the most, and I believe this is not exclusive for this card alone, but Union Bank in general. Ito kasi, this is my only Union Bank credit card, and it's the U-Visa Platinum credit card. Ang gusto ko sa kanya, meron siyang virtual card and meron siyang physical card. Yung virtual card niya, ginagamit ko for most of my online purchases with Grab. More so if nag-order ako online kapag gusto ko lang kumain ito. It's not a need na food. Want ko lang siya, doon ko siya china-charge sa virtual card. A virtual card would help you be more secure in your online transactions. Kasi for online merchants mo siya ma-apply. So I like that it has a virtual card, and I like that it has a physical card. And what I like the most is that it has a card lock feature. So kung hindi mo ginagamit yung card mo, yung physical and yung virtual card mo, pwede mo siyang malock sa app. So pwede mo siyang pwede din na yung virtual card mo is hindi mo siya i-lock, but yung physical card mo is ilalock mo. So for example, kasi maraming mga instances na credit card fraud, or knock on wood, mawala yung credit card mo. Let's say, mahulog mo yung wallet mo or ninakaw yung wallet mo. Now, your physical card could easily be swiped by anyone who has your physical card, right? But, you could block your physical card immediately dun sa app. Para kung sino mang makakita ng card mo, kung God forbid, your card lands in the hands of opportunistic people, then you could just block it through the app. In my case, what I do is that I block my physical card, but most of the time I do not block the virtual card kasi ginagamit ko siya for my online transactions. But then, kapag naisip ko medyo matagal pa naman na gagamitin ko ulit ang virtual card ko, I just lock it. Because napakasimple lang naman. It's just a few seconds of your time na ilalock mo sila sa app mo, and you are already saved from the hassle of having fraudulent transactions succeed. Kasi kung magsasucceed ang mga fraudulent transactions na yan, kailangan mo siyang itawag sa customer service, and that's what you don't like. Kasi nga, nababasa natin sa internet na ang hirap ma-reach ng customer service ng Union Bank. That's what they say. That's what I've read. Ilang oras na sila naghihintay over the phone, wala pa rin sumasagot. So now what I do in order to avoid that situation is that I just lock my card when I'm not using them, and then when I'm about to use them or when I know that I will use them, i-unlock ko sila. And then when the transaction has already succeeded, like na-swipe ko na ang card ko dun sa merchant or tapos na ako mag-order sa online merchant, then I lock the card again. So it's as simple as that. That's what I do in order to avoid the hassle of calling the customer service. So even though this is a very beginner card, gusto ko siya despite its basic features, because at the end of the day, it's a financial management tool. As much as possible, ang gusto mo sa isang tool is basic, easy, and no frills. And again, itong card na to, it has no annual fee for life, automatic with no spending limit required. It has no late fees, and it has a card lock feature dun mismo sa app, both for the virtual card and for the physical card. So if you would like to apply for this card, the link is below, and you could use my link to get approved so that you could also enjoy the perks of the card. So I hope this has enlightened anyone, and I hope this helps a single person or two. Thank you.